You will love the features of this 2020 Honda CR-V. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.